Is there a fence around your house? There is no fence around our house. Should I call you tonight? No, call me in the morning. Were you late? No, I wasn't. What seats do you prefer in the theater? I prefer front stalls. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. What's your first name? My first name is John. When did you graduate from a secondary school? I left secondary school in 1995. When do you usually have your breakfast? I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. Who is your favorite singer? I'm a big fan of Miley Cyrus, a talented US singer, songwriter, and actress. Why are you angry? Because I missed my flight. Do you usually go to bars or clubs? Not often. I sometimes go there on weekends. Don't you want to watch TV? No, I'd rather read my novel. Have you got any children? No, not yet. Have you ordered fried fish? Yes, I have ordered fried fish. How long have you been dating? For about half a year. How many churches are there in Moscow? There are a lot of churches in Moscow. How often do you go abroad? I think it's 3 or 4 times a year. How was the show? Not so bad. Is your watch made of gold? Yes, it is made of gold. May I ask you a favor? Of course, go ahead. May I help you? No thanks, I am just looking around. Were there a lot of people there? No, only like 10. What are you going to buy? Oh, I'm just looking. What caused her embarrassment? She was embarrassed about her pronunciation. What did you buy? We bought some new clothes on sale. What did you get out of your college education? Besides a professional degree, I also made many friends for life. What did you want to be when you were a child? I dreamed of being a fashion designer. When do you usually come home? At about 8 o'clock in the evening. Where did you go yesterday? I went to the park. Who is that? That is John. Will you be in Miami tomorrow? No, I won't. Would you like to have your own business? Well, it's a good idea, but I think it's very difficult. Are you pleased with the marks of your son? Yes, my son gets excellent marks. Did Evelyn come to the party? No, she didn't. Did you accept? No, I sent a letter of refusal. Do you go to work by car? Sometimes, but most days I go by subway. Do you want some more tea? No thanks, I've had 2 cups already. Have you ever been to China? Yes, I went there last month. Have you ever tried Italian food? Yes, at least once when I was in my friend's wedding party. How are you going to get home tonight? I'm not sure, I might take the bus. How many meals a day do you have? I have 3 meals a day: breakfast, dinner, supper. Is your wife a doctor? No, she's a teacher. Should I go to the store? No, I'll go. Should I tell him about it? Better not, I think. Were there many people at the meeting? No, very few. What color is your hat? It's a pale blue color. What country are you from? I'm from the US. What do you do in your free time? I do volunteer work. What is lying on the table? A box of chocolates is lying on the table.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك ومتابعة مزيد من المصطلحات والكلمات الهامة وكل ما يخص اللغة الإنجليزية على مواقعنا على شبكات التواصل الاجتماعي. الروابط تجدونها أسفل الفيديو. إذا كنتم غير مشتركين برجاء الاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس، وإذا استفدتم من الحلقة برجاء الضغط على إعجاب وترك لنا تعليق، وإذا أردتم نشر العلم برجاء مشاركة الفيديو مع الجميع لتشجيعنا. وبنهاية الحلقة نشكركم على حسن المتابعة ونرجو أن نلقاكم على خير في الحلقة القادمة بإذن الله. مع تحيات فريق عمل الدكة كلاود.